respected President, teacher in charge, members of the managing committee, teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear beloved students. Today I will say something about the Republic Day of India. This year we are celebrating 72nd Republic Day of India. India is a democratic country. India got independence on 15th August 1947, but the nation did not have constitution of its own then. Under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the Constitution of India was drafted. On 26th January 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect, and from that day, we are celebrating this day as a Republic Day every year. The word republic means the supreme power. Citizens living in the republic nation enjoy the rights to elect their representatives to lead the country. Thus, in the Republic India, every citizen enjoys equal rights irrespective of status and gender he or she belongs to. The Republic Day reminds us the duties like paying homage to our country and her symbols like the national flag and the national anthem. We must remember the young people who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our country. Republic Day is an occasion when we should remember their sacrifice and pay our homage to them. We must also not forget the armed forces who are still risking their lives in various battlefields to protect the borders of our country from the enemies so that we can live in peace. Since we got independence from the British rule in 1947, our country has developed a lot. Together with some developments, some drawbacks have also arisen, such as inequality, poverty, unemployment, corruption, illiteracy, etc. We need to take a pledge today for solving such problems in the society to make our country a best country of the world. Thank you all. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.